Meaning of goggles.
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 Goggles. The word goggles typically refers to a type of eyewear that is designed to protect the eyes from dust, wind, or other hazards. They are commonly worn by people who engage in activities such as swimming, skiing, and working in construction or industrial settings. Goggles usually have a tight fit around the eyes, creating a seal that keeps out unwanted particles or liquids. They can come in a variety of styles, including those with tinted lenses for outdoor use or prescription lenses for those who need corrective eyewear. Overall, goggles are an important form of protective equipment for many different situations.